Fancyforwork.com. Astronomy. Quantum physics suggests that death doesn't exist, and if it is probably just an illusion. Ariel Mary, September 24, 2022. Science. Since the beginning of time, man has questioned that happened after death. Of course, there are a variety of typical answers to this question, but scientists may have just added an infinite number of other possibilities just to shake things up. According to Robert Lanza, MD, death is actually a door to an endless number of universes. Furthermore, during our lives, Lanza asserts that anything that possibly can happen is happening in some universe. He continued he continues to explain that death does not exist if these scenarios, since all of these possibilities are taking place at the same time. The only reason we associate our consciousness with our physical body is due to energy operating around in our brains. In his book entitled Biocentrism: How Life and Consciousness Are the Case to Understanding the Nature of the Universe, he has stirred up quite a bit of controversy on the internet, and his theory regarding everlasting life is quite a bit different than the typical theory surrounding life and death. Lanza's background in regenerative medicine and as a science director of the Advanced Cell Technology Company has provided him with an extensive background in dealing with stem cells, and recently he has become more involved in physics, quantum mechanics, and astrophysics. It was during his studies regarding those topics that he stumbled upon his new theory of biocentrism. Biocentrism asserts that life and consciousness are both fundamental to the ways of universe. He further theorizes that is our consciousness, that it is our consciousness that creates the material universe instead of being the other way around. He believes that when we die, we experience a break in the string and binds the minds and body together as one. Once, once, is, this, once this takes place, we also experience a break with our connection on time and places. Of time of and places. Indeed, biocentrism suggests is a manifold that leads to all physics possibilities. More and more physicists are beginning to accept the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics, which states that there are an infinite number of universes. Everything that can possibly happen occur in some universe that doesn't exist in this scenario, since all of them exist simultaneously regardless of what happens in any of them. The me feeling is just energy operating in the brain, but energy never dies. It cannot be destroyed. Of course, his beliefs are just theory, but they are pretty fascinating to think about, don't you think? And while we can never be certain of what lies ahead, on the other side, it appears that our number of possibilities may have just infinitely expanded. No matter what you believe, quantum physics provides a number of viable theories regarding the unknown aspects of the world, and in the least, Lanza's book will prove to be an amazing read. This article contains information from Robert Lanza's biocentrism.